The width of a rectangle floor is W. The length is 6 feet longer than the width. What is the parameter in terms of W? Okay. So if W is width, we're going to say L is length. Okay? Well, here's the deal. We also know that length is equal to 6 feet longer than the width. So the length will equal to whatever the width is plus 6 feet. Now they're asking us, what is the parameter in terms of W? So if we draw a rectangle, this is W. Our length is 6 more than the width. So parameter, remember, that's just adding every single side. So we need to add every single side here. That would be W plus 6 plus W plus W plus 6. Some people prefer to write this as 2W because we have 2 of them. And some prefer to write as well as plus 2 times W plus 6, like that. Both are okay. Just stick with what you prefer and what clicks better. And now we solve. We collect all the like terms, all the W's. We get 4W and then 2 6's, so plus 12. Parameter is equal to 4W plus 12. Okay? Now we can factor, right? So we can take out a 2 or a 4, W plus 3. Cool. Now, they want it in this format, so we're going to select D here, okay? Which is what we did at the beginning. Nazir bought storage bins, each at the same price. He used the coupon for 25% off and paid $45. What was the original cost per bin if he bought 3 bins? Okay, so here's the key information. He paid $45 after 25% off, and he bought 3 bins. What was the original price per bin? Okay, cool. So, let original cost per bin be X. Then the total cost for the 3 bins is 3 times X, 3X. So 25% off means that you only paid 75% of the original cost. So if this is the total cost and we have a coupon for 25%, we only paid 75% of this. So we need to figure out what that is. And again, we convert percent to decimal, 0.75 times 3X. And that needs to equal to $45 because that's how much they told us they paid, right? The total cost. So we solve, we divide by 0.75. $3X is equal to 60. Then divide by 3. X is equal to 20. What did we just solve for? That price per bin. So the original price per bin or cost per bin is $20. Okay? Then you buy 3 of them, so you pay $60. Okay? But you have a discount. So you do 25% of 60 gives you $45 total dollars. So this is working backwards to double check your work. A rocket starts with 80 kilograms of propellant. After 4 seconds, 60 kilograms remain. How much did it burn per second? Okay, so from 80 kilograms, after 4 seconds, we drop down to 60 kilograms. So there's a decrease in 20 kilograms in 4 seconds, right? So the change is 20 kilograms. So 80 minus 60 is equal to 20 kgs in 4 seconds. So now we want to know per second. Well, that's 20 kilograms divided by the 4 seconds, we end up with 5 kilograms per second. That's how much it burned per second. Okay? A barrel starts with at 90 ounces of water. It loses 2 ounces every 3 days. If 60 ounces remain, how long has it been uncovered? Okay, so we start at 90 ounces, lose 2 ounces every 3 days. And then we end up at 60 ounces. Okay, so how much did we drop? Well, from our original 90, we dropped 30 ounces, right? 90 minus 60, which is 30. Every 2 ounces is 3 days it takes to lose. So then 1 ounce is lost in 1.5 days. Okay. So now we want to know how long it takes for 30 ounces. Well, if 1 ounce is 1.5 days, 30 ounces is going to equal to 1.5 times 30, right? That's the scale factor multiplied by 30. So 45 days.